Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are looking at a very nice and interesting geometric Swatch chronograph watch. This one is from 1992. It is called GREENTIC, reference number SCV100. As you can see, the watch comes with this matching watch strap, which is a vintage one, I believe, but as you can see, it isn't in such of a good condition, but nonetheless it is a nice collectible piece. We always ship all of our Swatch watches with an extra strap so that you can interchange them, so don't worry about that. The watch is in perfect working condition. The chronograph is working as it should, so you can start, stop, reset, and it will go to 12 o'clock. As you can see, all of them are aligned at 12 o'clock, so pretty nice. The seconds hand is here. We also have the tachymeter function and these very nice dots for the hour markers. Very little decoloration when it comes to the watch case. As you can see, it is transparent, so very beautiful piece and a collectible model. Link in the description below, guys. You can find it on our website vintageradar.com. We have over 1000 vintage Swatch watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. Also, if you enjoyed this type of content, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.